Hello friends, let's learn and practice numbers in Portuguese today. At first, we will learn from 0 to 100
and then
from 100 to 3000. Let's start. Vamos começar. 0, or uma. For masculine noun and uma for feminine noun. Livro, one book, uma caneta, one pen. 2, duas. 2 for masculine nouns and duas for feminine nouns. 2 livros, 2 books, duas canetas, 2 pens. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. From 20 means 20, we repeat the same pattern. 21, 22, and go on, same, 23, 24. Then 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 is 100. Then we say 101, 102, 103, and we repeat the same pattern until 199. Then 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. For 1000 we say 1000. Then we repeat the same pattern. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on. And then 2000, 2001, 2002, and same for 2024 we can say 2024. The same pattern follows, right? And for 3000 we can say 3000.